Hey everybody, this is Eric for the Little Whitehouse, and today I want to talk about the number one reason why you should be out in your garden in 2020. You know, the craziest thing that I've watched happen in 2020 is how people have just taken to the idea of wearing a mask. It was suggested because of coronavirus, oh, you need to take a, you need to wear a mask because it's going to protect yourself and protect others. Well, I'm not here to debate that. What I am here to say is that if you wear a mask, or if you have to wear a mask for hours at a time, what humans do is, we breathe in oxygen and we breathe out carbon dioxide. So, carbon dioxide is the same kind of thing that you get when you burn your fuel in your car and it comes out your tailpipe. That's carbon dioxide. While it's not as potent as the stuff coming out of your car, when you're covering your mouth with a mask and breathing in the same stuff that you just breathed out, it's not healthy for you. It weakens your immune system. On the other hand, out here in the garden, all of these trees and plants, they, during the daylight hours, release oxygen through the process of photosynthesis. So being out here would strengthen your immune system instead of weakening it, because you're getting some of the most pure oxygen that you'll be able to get right here, right now. So I would recommend to anybody that has to wear a mask because of your job, or because you have to go to the store and you have to stay in there for a considerable amount of time, that you spend as much time as you can out here in the garden to counteract the bad that you're getting by having to wear that mask. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. By the way, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Check us out over on Instagram. We love taking pictures of flowers and beautiful things out here in the garden and stuff. Come check us out over there. Also, in the description box below, we have a TubeBuddy link. It's a free tool to help you with your YouTube channel. I think that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. God bless you, and see you next time.